Hey, good day everybody. I've got this new water heater supply line that I put on about a week ago, and where we actually replaced the nipple on this joint here, the connection, the fitting, and it's got some water coming out of here, and this is a brand new supply line, so it should work. It's got a rubber gasket in it, but it's not. It's got a slow leak. That's about a week's worth right there, but it's enough to cause water damage. I want zero leaks. And so I'm gonna go ahead and replace this thing. So the first thing I'm gonna do is cut the power and the water off to the water heater. So you can either turn your main line off at the house, or you can just turn the water off to the water heater, which is what I'm doing here. Okay, now I'm just gonna go ahead and drain the water heater. Okay, we got some flow down through here. Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead and that relief valve there. All right, you can see how much flow I'm getting out of there. That's not too much, so that's without the pump. Okay, I put the relief valve back so I didn't forget. Now I'll go ahead and just pop this off, pop this off. So I popped this off of here, thinking that the gasket was gonna be all goofed up, but it actually looks pretty good, but it doesn't look like it's in the right position, you know? Might have just threaded off with the hose, but either way, I'm gonna take it off and replace this. Okay, here's the new one. Just measured it at the store, brought the old one with me. Got the same size. So I'm just kind of shaping this thing gently by hand to match the configuration. Okay, one thing I'm doing now that I didn't do the last time, this might be the mistake that I made as to why it's leaking. I pulled this thing all the way out and then pushed the gasket down in there so it seats nice. That could have been my whole problem all along. That old gasket didn't look bad. So I'm pushing it all down in there. Now I'll make the connection. I'm gonna go ahead and just gently tighten this thing. I'm not gonna over tighten it for a couple of reasons. I don't wanna goof up that gasket. And I also don't wanna rip this right here, this joint, or any of this stuff too. It's good to apply counter torque, put a wrench here and then a wrench here. This one to hold it in place, and then this one to torque it down. I'll go ahead and tighten this one up as well. Okay, now it's show time. First thing I'll do is go ahead and secure this. Just go ahead and tighten that valve back up so it doesn't drain anymore. I'm gonna sit and monitor for leaks here. All right, guys, that's how I did it. Hope this helps, and thanks for watching.